Did you ever wish you could easily select a specific portion of a website or screen, annotate it, and then copy and paste it into an email or a program like Microsoft Word or PowerPoint? With the Snipping tool in Windows 7, now you can. Okay, so let me bring up a website and let me show you what you would normally have to do to copy and paste text and images without the Snipping tool. So here you have a page that has an image on the left and text on the right. If you wanted to quickly copy and paste the image and the text, you would have to do it in 2 steps. You would have to highlight the text, right-click, and hit copy, and then open up your email or your Word document and paste it in. And then, since this is a picture, you would have to right-click on this picture and either save it or select copy, and then again open up your email or program such as Microsoft Word and paste it in. Now the Snipping tool makes this a lot easier. The Snipping tool is found in the Accessories folder. You would go to the Start menu, go to All Programs, and find the Accessories folder. Click on that, and then here is the Snipping tool. Okay. When you open up the Snipping tool, you will get this little dialog box here, and you'll see that the rest of the screen will kind of get foggy. You can move this dialog box around. What I'm going to want to do is select this entire area here, the text and the picture. Okay, now if you look at the Snipping tool box, you'll see an option for New Snip. It is set by default to rectangular snip. You could also do a freeform snip or a window snip, which will just select the window that is open in the forefront of your browser, or a full screen snip, which is basically what you would do if you were to hit Control Print Screen, the entire screen. So I'm going to use the rectangular snip here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just position this toolbar down here, and you'll see that this little cross appears, and all I have to do is click and drag over the area that I want to select and then release. Now you'll see the snipping window opens up much larger, and everything that's on the screen is what I selected. So here's the picture and the text. Now there's a couple things you can do from here on out. From here you can go ahead and just go to Edit and Copy, or hit Control C, and you could copy this into an email, or you can copy it into Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. You can go to File, Save As, and you could save the snip as a GIF file, a JPEG, or a PNG file. I'm going to cancel that. Or you can directly send this snip to your email. So since on this computer my email program is configured, I just need to go to this little envelope here, and I could just go ahead to email recipient as attachment. And if I click on this, my Outlook program will open up, and you'll see that this snip will be saved as an attachment, and then I could just go ahead and email it. But another thing you can do is you can annotate this snip. Now if you go here to the pen tool, you have a few options. You have a red pen, a blue pen, or black pen. Also you can go to Customize, and you could choose different colors for the pen and different thicknesses for the tip. I'm just going to leave it on the red pen. I can just go ahead and just with the mouse and write on the snip. I could circle things. You can write little notes. So it comes really useful if you want to quickly send somebody a portion of the screen or a website and you want them to specifically look at a particular thing. There's also a highlighter tool which comes really useful. You'll see it right here moving. I can just highlight items that I would want the recipient to pay attention to. And if I make a mistake, there's an erase tool here. I could click there and then I just erase. I could also erase this as well. Okay, so when I'm done, let's say I want to copy and paste this snip into a Word document. All I have to do is go to Edit, Copy, and then I'm going to go down and I'm going to open up Word. And in Word, I can just right-click and hit Paste. And there's my snip. Now just keep in mind that you can't edit the text once you make a snip because it does save it as one file. So you can't go back and manipulate the text. But this tool is really useful for email and specific portions of a graphic or screen. The great thing about the snipping tool is that you also don't have to create rectangular snips. Now let me show you. I'm going to select freeform snip. So what I'm going to do is these little scissors come up and I can select anything I want. So let's say I want to select this picture like that, and I just want this portion right here. I just let go when I'm done, and there you go. And I could do the same thing with this. I can go to Edit, Copy, go back into Word, and I could paste it in. There you see it. As far as email goes, this is what you could do with email. So I already have that image copied onto the clipboard. So here I just open my email and I can just click inside and paste my image. There you go. And I could send it on its way.